Okay, we need some marinara sauce to it.
Hi, people. How are you, lovely ones? We're happy to be here with you today. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Again, my name is Chef Angela.
And I'm Chef Cathy. Thank you for liking, subscribing, and commenting.
Yeah,
Angie, what are we making today?
today we're making something very simple, meatballs. Yes. And right here we have white beans. Okay, so we've given it a good mix and we are ready to make the balls. I'll just tap the water. Yes, so we use a spoon so that we can have a specific, a defined size. If we have different sizes, then they won't cook evenly. Just do like this, very simple. There you go.
Okay.
Thank you. So make sure you don't have not oil anywhere near this process because your meatballs will just fall apart. Thank you. Just a little more. A little more. Yeah, so as easy as that. The process of cooking, so after you can either put your meatballs in an air fryer for 15 to 20 minutes, or you can pan fry them, or you can bake them in the oven. And after that, we'll have them sit in a marinara sauce, which I will share with you the ingredients. Chef Cathy, what would you eat your meatballs with?
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti.
Yeah,
Spaghetti, non some rice.
I'm Italian now, guys.
Italian.
Italian.
Yeah, I think spaghetti is
Biscotti.
a preferred one.
Even the biscotti is a pastry, guys.
Our meatballs, when they are ready, they're going to sit in this marinara sauce. This marinara sauce is very easy to make. These are crushed tomatoes, fried with onions, garlic, and some herbs like oregano and thyme. Yes, very
So should I bring the
perfect. The meatballs, yes. Very ready. Yes, so and place one by one in here in our sauce, and we coat them properly. And today we'll serve our meatballs with spaghetti. Spaghetti. So why I like cooking these meatballs in the air fryer? They stay intact. They don't fall apart. I don't know what is easy for you, Chef Cathy.
Actually, I fancy mine.
You fancy it.
And actually really have a different recipe from yours.
Oh, beautiful.
So they do not, sometimes actually after rolling them into balls, I let them sit in the fridge.
Yeah, so our meatballs are ready and we are going to finish them up with some parsley, chopped parsley. That's it. And we are ready to serve. Chef Cathy, you can help in the serving. Thank you. And mix up that parsley. So we are serving ours with the spaghetti. As you can see, it was ready in no time. That's beautiful. It's beautiful. So we just give it a garnish. So we are ready to taste.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Yeah, let's begin.
Okay.
Yes. Begin.
Begin.
Wow.
Okay, we need some marinara sauce to it.
Yeah, these are lovely. Very juicy, very moist, very tender, and just soft for the bites. Yeah, what do you think?
Perfect.
Perfect.
What stood out for me was the marinara sauce.
The marinara sauce.
Yeah, very flavorful.
Very flavorful.
And just perfect with the spaghetti. What
Yes.
else can I serve at the coffee?
Yeah, like you said, maybe rice, rice, steamed rice. And I like the herbs, touch of herbs. Bring some freshness to the dish.
Always have some fresh herbs to your dish, guys.
Yes, yes.
So as we go, we would want to tell you about 7-Star Culinary Institute for the diploma certificate courses. We are ready for you. Come join us. Come learn more than what you are seeing us present here. Yeah. So till next time, see you guys. Bye-bye.